Namaste students, I am JV Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyabit Women's University Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic enzyme kinetics. What is enzyme kinetics? So enzyme kinetics is the quantitative measurement of the rate of enzyme catalyzed reactions. Or we can also say that it is the systematic study of factors that affect the rate of enzyme and substrate production. Enzyme kinetics was started in 1902 when Adrena Brown reported an investigation on the rate of hydrolysis of sucrose as catalyzed by the yeast enzyme invertase. Brown demonstrated when sucrose concentration is much higher than that of the enzyme, reaction rate becomes independent of sucrose concentration. Means when sucrose concentration becomes higher than enzyme. Means here sucrose is substrate. Okay, here sucrose is substrate and enzyme is catalytic activity. Then the reaction rate becomes independent of the sucrose concentration. So it same formula is applied for the enzyme substrate complex. According to enzyme kinetics and Brown proposal, overall reaction is composed of two elementary reactions in which the substrate form a complex with enzyme that subsequently decompose the two products and enzyme. So this is the enzyme and it is a substrate. At a particular rate, this enzyme and substrate make a complex which is known as the enzyme substrate complex. At different rate, this enzyme and substrate complex make a product and enzyme is released. Okay, so this is the enzyme, it is substrate, it is enzyme substrate complex, it is product and this is enzyme again. So when enzyme and substrate will mix together, they will create a enzyme substrate complex at a particular rate, and after that they will create a particular product. So according to this model, we can say that when the substrate concentration becomes high enough to entirely convert the enzyme to the enzyme substrate complex, the second step of the reaction becomes rate limiting step. So when enzyme and substrate complex becomes okay, it's formed in the second step, that is the production of product. So that second step that is required K2 is a rate limiting step. It do not need a lot of energy. The overall reaction rate becomes insensitive to further increase in the substrate concentration. The general expression of the velocity rate of the reaction is known as the V is dP upon dt. That is equal to K2 ES enzyme substrate complex. So it is the velocity rate of the reaction. What is the rate of the reaction? Rate of the reaction is the sum of the product divided by the time and is equal to enzyme substrate complex. The overall rate of production of enzyme substrate uh, we can say that difference between the rate of elementary reaction leading to its appearance and those resulting in the disappearance. So enzyme, the substrate, when K1 reaction is there, then it will form an enzyme substrate complex, and at the K2 rate, uh, the enzyme substrate complex will form a product. But at this rate, that is k minus 1, the enzyme substrate can also be converted into the and can be splitted back at this rate. At the k1 rate, they form a complex, but at the rate k minus 1, they will they will be split to enzyme plus substrate. They will be separated. So we can say that DES upon dt is equal to K1 ES minus K minus ES minus K minus 2 ES. At this point, an assumption is required to achieve an analytical solution. The rapid equilibrium assumption Michaelis-Menten approach is used for the analysis of the enzyme kinetics reaction. So there are many techniques which are used for the analysis of enzyme kinetics, single enzyme kinetics mechanism. In the upcoming video, we will discuss about the Michaelis-Menten equation. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.